Here with the continuous coverage on Times Now of Anna Hazare's movement against corruption. Let's go across now to Jagori, joining us from right outside Ramlila grounds. Ramlila grounds is where the entire focus is shifting even as we speak. Jagori, now we know that all the people inside Ramlila ground have been now made to leave outside. The MCD is preparing the ground to hand over to Anna. How long is it going to take?
Well, if I can show you, the elaborate preparations are on here. We have been asked to move out, so we've climbed on top of one of the walls so that we can give you those visuals of preparations that are underway at this moment. If you could see, bamboos have been brought to put the edifice together. We have been told that high officials of the MCD are here. As you can see, work has begun in full swing. It has been the rainy season, so the entire area was very dirty. There were puddles of water all around, and also it was dug up because last week there was a massive BJP rally here. So now MCD is trying to even out the area so that the grounds can be prepared for that massive agitation that is scheduled to begin this evening. Now, early in the morning when we came here, it didn't look like that there is going to be such a massive gathering, but work has speeded up ever since. If you can see, people are trying to put the ground to a level so that people can sit here. Also, bamboos have been brought so that the edifice can be put together. If I can ask my camera person to pan further near the stage. This is the stage where last time around, remember those dramatic visuals of that midnight evacuation operation by Delhi police where Baba Ramdev was bundled out. This is exactly where Anna Hazare is going to sit. As you can see, loudspeakers have been brought. Also, they have brought the tricolor. So even people from India Against Corruption, that is spearheading this agitation, are here. Largely officials from MCD are here. Also, Delhi police have put in place security measures. Metal detectors have been installed at the gates. Early in the morning when we had come, the rear and the front gates were locked, and only one side gate was open from where we were allowed entry, but that was also denied to us. So at this moment, Delhi police along with MCD is trying to sanitize the area. Work is on in full swing. Also, Deep, if I could tell you about the traffic restrictions that would be put in place. We know Ramlila grounds is in the heart of central Delhi and it is quite a busy area. But at this moment, traffic is going on smoothly, but we are expecting that there would be restrictions as the day goes by. What we've heard from our sources is that Anna Hazare would only come in the evening. So as of now, traffic is smooth, but we are expecting police to put barricades around the place to stop the traffic movement because they do not want any snarls at this point. Back to you.